Good morning, students. Today I am starting a new chapter, that is crop production. Now this chapter is completely based on agriculture. We are in the rural India. We know much better than the other people are staying in the urban. We know what is a crop, what is a crop rotation, what is cultivation, what is aggregation, poultry farming, sericulture. These all things we are seeing all around. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा इन क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले हम ये जानेंगे ये क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन है क्या और क्यों है। ह्यूमन की बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी, जिसमें पहली रिक्वायरमेंट फूड है, टू सर्वाइव। एंशिएंट टाइम वी वर डिपेंड ऑन द टोटली ऑन एनिमल्स. People used to kill the animals and eat. Then they started cooking the animal. After killing, they cook it. We got fire. Now we have started food production, crop production. So different types of farming came. As long as our population continued to increase, we have started increasing our food production. Earlier we were suffering for the food production. Now we are sufficient in food production due to green revolution. Now सबसे पहले हम ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे हमें फूड क्यों जरूरी है. We get energy from the food. That energy, why we get it? Why we need energy? Energy is required to perform our day-to-day activity, such like respiration, digestion, excretion, doing some work, working, walking, any activity we do, we require energy. That energy we get from the food. And food we get from the crop, plant. Almost all animals, we humans, depends upon the crop, plants for our requirement of food. We also depends upon few animals also for our requirement of food. First point, food is one of the basic requirement of life for all living things. Second point, food provides energy to perform body functions like digestion, respiration, excretion and growth and repair of the cells. When we become sick, we become unhealthy, so body repair in itself, so that if you are taking proper food, your body can do their own repair. Third point, food also protects the body against diseases. Any type of diseases, virus attack, anything is there. What we do? We require food, proper food. In that different types of vitamins, minerals, we get it. So that it can, our body can protect from external diseases, infections. Okay. Animals and human depends upon the plants and other animals for the food requirement. We learn farming for the requirement of our food. We have already discussed. We learn the farm for our requirement of food. We depend on the animal for food and plants and animal for the food. What is agriculture? It is the applied science which deals with the mass production of crops. It is a science which deals with mass production of crop, plants and animals useful for human beings. Mass production of crops. What do you mean by the term mass production of crops? same type of plant is cultivated everywhere. That is called mass production. Hundreds of acres of land is cereals are being, wheat is being cultivated, maize is being cultivated. For this is the mass production. So they say that agriculture, it is which deals with the mass production of crop, plant and animals. Hundreds and hundreds of animals are domesticated. Poultry, thousands of, you can say, the eggs producing units are there. So the mass production of livestock as well as crops. Sericulture, poultry, fishing, all are within the scope of agriculture. Agriculture has got the broad meaning, which includes mass production of crops, which includes sericulture, that is a silkworm, poultry and fishing. This all includes and comes under the purview of agriculture. So children, what is agriculture? It is applied science which deals with the mass production of crops, poultry farming, fishing, sericulture, all types of agricultural activities. So this is called agriculture. Now crop, what is a crop? The same large quantities of same types of plants are called crop. The plant of same kind grown at one place on a large scale. Plants of same kind. Wheat plant has lakhs of wheat plants is there, then we say it is a crop. Maize plants are there, acres and acres of lands are only maize, we say crop. So what is a crop? It is plants of same type in large scale are called crop. Now, all the plants are grown in the field and the crop is of cultivated plants is called crop produce. What is a crop produce? Cereals is a crop produce. देखिए, types of crop में अगर cereals आता है तो what are the wheat, rice, maize, बाजरा. Type of crop में अगर type of crop में तुम्हारा क्या है? क्या है? दाल है, pulse. The pulse may be of arham, gram, peas, Moong dal, all will come under the category of pulse. So what the point, last point they say? Crop of wheat means all plants grown in the field. The crop of cultivated plant is called crop produce. ठीक है? तो क्रॉप प्रोड्यूस क्या हो गया? wheat you have cultivated the wheat, so you are getting wheat. Cultivated the rice, we get it. So these are coming under the category of cereals. Pulses, vegetable, you may call it cabbage, brinjal, potato, chili, capsicum, different types of vegetables you are getting. All are coming under the categories of vegetable. What is the produce? Vegetable. What is the produce? Cereals. What is the produce? Fruits. Fruits, what are that? Mango, apple, banana, guava. Different types of fruits are there. So these all are coming under the category of fruit. Fruit, vegetable, pulse, cereals. Okay? So children, what you will do? I have taught you from the first page. Now you will write the question answer. First let me send you the clip of this to you and then we will write the question. Which class? Class 8. Class 8. Class 8. 8. Okay. बहुत स्लो है कैमरा. Class 8. Bottom part due to light have some problems. Okay. Let me write the question for you. What question you will be doing? Homework of the day. Homework. Question number 1. What is the difference between crop and plant? Question number 2. What is the difference between explain agriculture? Question number 3. Why we need food? Question number 4. Write the name of pulses and cereals. Write the name of 5 each. Write the name of 5 each. A. Cereals. B. Pulses. C. Vegetable. D. Fruits, etc. These 4 question answers, you do that, and we are concluding class. We will meet tomorrow.